Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am giving you a complete practical walkthrough of the Tally Housing Society model. If you manage society account, maintain billing, member details or monthly collection, this model will make your work super simple. We will go through every option step by step, exactly as you see on my screen, from masters setup to bill printing and report. So let's get started and explore how smoothly a housing society can manage inside Tally. Let's get started. The first option, first you can see the housing society model here in Tally. Let's enter, and the first option is auto setup, housing housing society auto setup, and this is where you enter entire module get its base structure. This automatically creates all default configurations, categories, head, classes, and setting you need for society billing. It is the fastest way to initiate the system correctly before entering your society data. Just one click and go to yes, and this will create your entire base. The next option we have is society info. This is where we enter the society area plots, CS, CTS, TPS number, survey number, ward number, register number, and number of structures and remarks. Make sure all details are accurate because this is become the identity of your housing society in Tally. Let's move on to the next option. Occupancy type info. Here I define whether a unit is occupied by an owner or a tenant. Both can have different billing rules, so this clarification helps the system calculate the exact charges of each flat. You have owner and tenant. Next option we have accounting head info. This option allows us to provide the breakup of all income ahead, like interest received, electric bill, car parking, electric charges, gym charges, and so on. Other these heads automatically appears in bills and link with Tally laser for proper accounting. Let's head back to the next option, class of member. In this menu, we decide the type of unit: 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK, penthouse, and commercial unit or shop. Each class can have separate maintenance accounts, making bill accurate and fully automated. Let's move to the next option, tax ledger setup. If your society applies tax like GST, you configure it here. Once set, the model automatically calculates and add taxes to the bills. Let's move to the next option, received income. Whenever the society charges maintenance rate or introduce new fees, this is where you update it. Go to the receipts area and add whatever new bills you want to add. This system will apply new charges from the next bill system automatically. Next we have import party master. If your society already has a member list in Excel or another Tally company, you can import it from here. This saves a lot of manual entry time, especially for large societies. Next is interest voucher generation. This feature is for late payments. Instead of calculating interest manually, just select the date, range, and Tally will generate instantly vouchers for all overdue flats. One click and the system handles it. One click, select the group wise, all group wise, individual. If you are select individual, party name, whatever party you are charging interest, and press F4 to create. This will create your interest. Next we have maintenance bill generation. This is the heart of the module. Choose your billing period, enter, select type of creation first. Suppose if you want to do all the members for all members, then all, or if you are doing for individuals, then individuals. Let us suppose for all, then society bill. You are generating society bill, charge of date, from what date you are applying, interest due date, by how many days the interest should be added, number of month, narrations, pending lasers, number of voucher, and to start press F4. It pulls data from every master we configure earlier, making billing constant and error free. Next we have supplementary bill. Supplementary bills are used when the society wants to charge for something extra like painting, funding, repair fees, or festival contribution. You can add from here, like festival bills or another charges will be added from here. Next we have all bill printing. All bills are generated. This option prints all bills in one go. It's perfect for societies with many flats, quick, clean, and professional. Just one click and all bills will be generated. Next, individual bill printing. If a single member wants their bill, use this menu. Simple, select the flag, select everything, group number, member's name, suppose society member, and the name of that member, and their bill print type. If you are generating only bill or receipt only, then, and if you are generating both, then select both. This will generate your bill. Next we have email bill. For societies that prefer digital distribution, this option emails all bills directly to members. Faster, cost effective, and ideal for modern society management. Next we have display. In display we can see member register, member bills register, society bills register, supplementary. For member register you can see all the members register, how much they are paying and what area they are living in, their occupancy to floor, first floor, second floor, if they are owner or tenant you can see from here. Next we have bills registered society. So society's bill generation, the bill you generate for all society's members. Next, bill register supplementary. Like I said, supplementary charges like festival charges or other paint charges or repair charges you can add here. You can see the bill. Next, income and expense. If you are making income or you are doing any expense, you can manage here. Then members summary. If you want any members summary, then you can see from here society bills, supplementary bills of this member Avinash Singh, and other members also you can see. Then nominee register, whatever nominee you are adding you can see from here. So this is it for housing society model. All that wrap up the full demonstration of the Tally Housing Society model. We covered every option from setting up your masters all the way to generating bills, sending emails, and checking reports. This model truly amplifies society accounting and gives you complete transparency and control. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which Tally module you want me to cover next. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.